Hi, I'm back today with a new recipe, and that's a digestive biscuit. I'll do only one recipe today because we had a lot of power cut from morning, so I don't know when the Wi-Fi will get stopped. So I'll do only one cookie today, and that's the digestive cookie. So let's go ahead, and it's a very simple, very easy and very quick to make, and very little ingredients. It's good for all the keto diet individuals, and those who are on diet. They can have with the tea at 4 o'clock with tea or coffee. You get good. You can make your own digestive cookies at home. So shall we go ahead and do the baking? So I'll tell you the recipe right now. We take oats 12 grams, whole wheat flour 50 grams, butter 20 grams, 30 grams, sorry, sugar 20 grams, powdered sugar, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, milk 2 teaspoon, and you bake it 180 or 140 for 12 to 15 minutes. It should be cold butter that you're going to fold into your flour. Now this is whole wheat flour, and that's 50 grams, around 1/3 of a cup, plus 2 tablespoons. And then this is powdered oats, powdered white oats, Quaker oats, 12 grams, around 2 tablespoons. And this is the 30 grams of cold butter. We'll just fold in it with your fingers. Use your fingers. I'll just adjust the camera so you can see the bowl. Okay, you just fold it in. Make it like breadcrumbs. It should be cold butter. Can you see how I'm doing it? Use your fingers. It's whole wheat flour and powdered oats, digestive cookies. Very easy, very simple to make. Don't use room temperature butter, it's cold butter. I prefer using salted butter because it compromises with the sugar that we add. So you can, if you want, you can use your unsalted butter, and you can use a pinch of salt inside. And those who are having those sugar patients, they can use the sugar-free, powder it and use it inside the digestive biscuit instead of white sugar. Or you can use jaggery, sharkara. So now it's like breadcrumbs, like sand. Can you see? The butter is all incorporated with the flour. Now we'll make it into a small bowl. You have to mix it to make it into a dough. So we have to add our baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we'll add in our sugar. That is around 20 grams of sugar, powdered sugar. So it's all incorporated. Now we can add our milk. One tablespoon of milk. You need a butter paper to fold, to roll out into cookies, into biscuits. So we have it here. In a minute I'll be back. I'll just wash my hands. We have our butter paper here. Roll it out. And use your cookie cutter, or you can cut into squares. In the meanwhile, you have to preheat your oven at 140 or 180 and bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay. I'll make long biscuits. You can cut into rounds. So I'll just press this here. Can you see my digestive cookies are ready? Bake it at 180. I'll get my baking tray. So my digestive cookies are ready. Can you see? I'll put up a picture after it's baked. So here it is. Very simple and very easy to make. Use a butter paper to roll out to cookies. You can cut into round cookies. It's all for people who are having their diet. So it's done. And bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. When you check, if it's not light brown, golden brown on top, you can bake it for another 5 minutes. So I'll be back again with another new recipe, another new cookie. Please do like and share.